the poem of love.
It's the poem of, so here's your warning. It's the poem of, so here's your warning. In the city of Old Town, in the city of good poets, in the city of Ottawa, we keep it rockin'.
Now let me welcome everybody to the poem contest that will make you untouchable like Elliot Ness. Your poems hit my eardrums like a slug in my chest. Pack a pen for your journal in the city of letters. In that ice city where the bomb has snow beat. The city where you'll never find an open mic empty. And a poet's free. On a mission for rhyme schemes. Lean poem making machines, writing fiends. I've been in the game for 10 years writing poems too. Ever since Honeys was wearing Sassoon. Now at 16 they clocked and watched me diamond shining, looking like I robbed Liberace. It's all good from Orleans to Constance Bay. Your city is the bomb, make the city make it pay. Throw up a poem if you feel the same way. Jen is putting it down for Old Town, I say.
It's the poem of